So now that the serialized answer column is separated, we will start with the transforming the JSON or parsing the JSON. This is the key point in our presentation. So we can transform the JSON by two ways. Click on transform here in the top panel, go to parse and click on JSON. Or you can directly click on the column, go to the transform section and click on JSON here. So now what we have is nested record. To put you into perspective of what we actually did, I will show you again the JSON of this specific questionnaire. So we will go here, and this is our JSON. So what we will look for in this JSON, the answers we are looking for is inspection start question group, and here we have can the device be inspected question. We want to get this value label from this question, and also from reason we want to get value label. We'll also take out from the questionnaire the ID. So here by checking the JSON you can actually see where the answers are in your JSON or in the nested record. So here is the expand button, so we have to expand this record, and here we see the question groups. So what we want is inspection start question group and questionnaire group. Now that we expanded them, we can go to from questionnaire, we can click on expand again and select only ID. Now we have ID of our questionnaire. We'll put it in the beginning, and then from here, from the inspection start question group, we'll expand our two questions. So we'll select them and click OK. Now again, we have to get to the value label. So again, repeat this step and choose value label. As you can see, now we have yes and no answers. If we click here, again, we will do the same and get the value label. Now, as you can see, we have ID with the answer no or yes and corresponding reason.